Biker Curandera, and today I am installing the Mosko Moto Nomini. So I'm super excited about this tank bag because I like having things right at my fingertips. I don't know about other ladies when they ride, but of course my tarot, right? My helmet lock. I wear hearing aids to those. And then I just have all kinds of little things that maybe the dudes don't, like lipstick, hand sanitizer, sunscreen. Do you find a lot of your people don't wear sunscreen? Really important to be wearing sunscreen. All kinds of little things, pens, garage door openers, just those little things, paper, right? A little notepad, things that you want within easy reach. So I'm going to be installing this tank bag. I've watched a couple YouTube videos, so let's see how it goes. So the first thing they said to do was unlatch things, and then this top, the male has to be on this end, and it's going to go through this yoke here. Okay, I don't know if I did it wrong or if just having tiny female hands makes this so much easier, but I saw men struggle for a really long time to get that around, and it was relatively easy, so I'm a little scared. Did I do it wrong? Or tiny hands for the win? Well, it took a little bit of tightening, but I don't know, maybe it's because we're used to removing and putting on bras so easily and doing our hair. Maybe that just makes the whole thing easier. Okay, now I'm going to loosen these straps, and they evidently zip tie to the bar. Let's see how it goes. Oop! It fell over. So anyway, this has little holes that you put the zip tie through, and it's going to go to the bar there. And then this Velcro it'll stick to each other. They called it something special. And then they have these little dividery things that you can cut off the extra Velcro. So next step. See, I knew it was too good to be true. I was going to strap it down, and then I realized there was these floppy things on the side that seemed to serve no purpose. I guess it's a fanny pack. So I'm trying to, where's that supposed to go? Because obviously it's not supposed to go under the tank bag because that would scratch up my stuff. See how it's just hanging there? Little belt loop. So where does that go? Okay, I found Velcro and a little hole, so I guess I can tuck it right there. Or I could remove it entirely because it looks like it'll slip all the way through. Well, if that was the purpose, tucking it in there, it takes up too much space, so I'm going to remove it. I understand some people like a fanny pack, or that would be like a purse strap maybe. This handle's enough for me. Well, we'll see. For now, I'm going to get rid of it. It bugs me. Man, taking that fugly strap out was the hardest part of this installation. Now, back to zip tying the tank bag. Gosh, I might need to rewatch the video because there was supposed to be extra Velcro, and there's like not enough Velcro. Maybe this needs to come down a little more. We'll see. I'm going to do the other side. Well, the only problem I see with this naked hook and loop right here is, isn't that going to catch like every bug in the world? Let me try sitting on it. I think the other option is squishing it more forward. I think I need to squish it more forward. Those are technical terms. Well, I know I did it kind of wrong because see how much is left here and see how much is left there. So if I was even, shouldn't those be even? I'm going to go with yes. Okay, I unsnapped it to, obviously to put gas in, you have to unsnap it. Let's try to re-snap it now. Okay, re-snapping was a little tricky, but I was able to reach in there and do it. We'll see when it's full of stuff if it's as tricky, but that's definitely ready for my things. Well, I had room for everything if I took it out of the package except for my stickers, but that's pretty exciting to have those things just right here. Sunscreen, the cleaner for your face shield, hand sanitizer, the Shiwi